seconds. Wala. 1 minute and 55 seconds na lang maiigan. 51-49 ang score. NHAC, 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Nagang nakakuha ni Mr. Vinya. 1 minute and 35. There's a foul.
Karum pas patok ng foul. Tuyo to kan shot man.
1 point. 50-51. Remaining time, last 1 minute and 35 seconds. 51 on. Bok. 1 minute and 30 seconds. There's a foul. Ang GCB Aspo. Isa na lang nabiling timeout NHA ha. Score 51 all. No good for the first to Revilla. Okay. Sorilla. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Travel!
What's the trap? Travel in violation committed by Elvinia. Last 1 minute and 8 seconds. Okay, 1 minute and 5 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot, seconds to play na lang po. 10 seconds to shoot. 50 seconds. Rebound.
Okay, foul!
Okay.
Hey!
Repeat from starting agents. Sir?
Magamit, puno siya pang oy.
Okay.
Usog noon siya mo defense, pero usog siya mo defense, pero di gid siya makasal.
Okay. $14 seconds to shoot. 35 seconds. 30 seconds.
Relax! Labaw!
25 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds. Okay, there's a call. Timeout ref ang GCB Aspo. 15 seconds. No more shot clock ha. No more shot clock.
Step it!
Referee's decision is final and irrevocable. Stepping on the line. Isa na lang nabilin sa timeout. Substitution ref. There's a substitution. 13 seconds na lang po. 13 seconds. And our score is 52-51. Sino kaya ang mananalo?
Foul.
And there's a foul. Penalty situation, 12 seconds. Second personal foul and it's a penalty situation. Ano nyo nga time out? Wala na dayon. 53-51. 12 seconds na lang po. 1 second. 1 second na lang. Penalty situation, penalty. 1 second na lang.